Oh, no. No, no, no. I know they didn't just leave me up in here.
You gonna put your leash on next time?
I'm not talking to you. I'm mad.
You're just mad at yourself. It's your fault.
You don't wear a leash when you go outside. Well, I got you. Are they back? I want to go. I want to go outside.
Maybe next.
Maybe nothing.
Hey.
What?
Maybe next time you put on your leash.
Oh, this ain't no teachable moment. Where was I? Oh, yeah.
You're being a little dramatic.
No, I'm not. You need to let me out.
It's not the end of the world. They'll be home in a minute.
A minute? What? That's like 7 minutes in a dog's life. Oh, they back? Can I get my leash? Put my leash on.